Hello, my name is Aiden, CRM and Marketing Automation Consultant at Relevate. And today I'm going to show you how to create different folders and categories inside Zoho Desk. Now you can tell here I'm in the help desk community and you can see that there's some categories here. Now these are different departments. I select one, you can see there's some folders. I'll click in another one and there's some more folders, and then I click into that one. And then here we are, we've got some content. So if you want to create these methods of categorizing information, now bear in mind that it still works across the global search, but if you want to break it down into, say, product streams or service streams or general FAQs, you can do that very easily. Now, I'm just going to go into the admin panel here, and I've selected KB, or knowledge base. Yours may be in a different spot. I reorganized mine. But you can see down the left, there's some articles here, which is the standard view. So if I click on KB, it will load us on this page with that articles section highlighted. If I come down here and I click on Manage KB, then I've got this other little category here, which says Organize Categories, this other tab, sorry. So now you might see something different if you've only got one department. I've got a few, so I can see all those that relate to that. You may only see one, so you pick the one that's relevant to you. And then when you're in here, you can see I've got my categories. So you remember we saw the Relevate department, then we saw general, and then we saw administration. And in there is 23 articles. So you can arrange and organize those categories. So if I select this one, it's got no subcategories, but this one, let's see if it has some. Yes, it does. And if I click on that one, it's also got the capability of having a sub category. So if you wanted to drill down into product and then perhaps the various parts of those product, one might be warranty, one might be service agreements, and so on. So you can arrange those, you can click and drag. If you go in, you can move or edit some of the content. So you can change a little image, the name, the description, and how it's visible too. So that is the default visibility. So whether it's available to certain groups, if you want to only give permission to certain people to view, everybody, or by the agents only, so only for an internal visibility and not external, or whether it's by custom IP, so you might be able to set ranges like countries or particular businesses that work with you. So that is the articles. Now, if you wanted to move them, you can select groups as well. So if I go to general and then I click on move, so I've selected the department, then I've selected the parent category. Now I can click on move and then move that entire subcategory or that entire section to another department. If I wanted to do that one layer down here, I can click on move, and that's going to move that entire category again to a different area, and then you can start to move it. So once you arrange, or you're going to go through and perhaps even sort your articles, you can drag them around into different order if you want to see the most prominent one or the most important one or frequently accessed one up the top. So that is how to manage folders and organize your knowledge base articles so that you can help your customers better and serve them whilst you sleep in the help center here. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Hope you've enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for other videos. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and let us know in the comments if you have any additional questions or other videos you'd like us to produce. Other than that, take care.